There's always that one time that you crave a delicious mug of porridge that is homemade. So in this recipe, I'll be showing you a very easy and simple porridge recipe which is going to turn out creamy, delicious, sweet, and perfect for you. For the recipe, you're going to need some millet flour. I have some sugar, water, and milk powder. So you're going to start off by placing a pot over medium flame. Add in 5 cups of water. And as the water is coming to a boil, in a jug, you're going to add in 1 1/3 cup of water. Using the same cup, add in Add in 5 heaped tablespoons of your millet flour, and mine is a combination of sorghum and millet. Use a spoon and stir until the flour is fully combined into the water with no lumps, just like this. When the water has come to a boil, you're going to add in your flour mixture into the pot. And using a wooden spatula, you're going to stir continuously until your porridge thickens. Once your porridge is thick, this is how it's going to be looking. As you can see, we have no lumps, but it's a little bit on the heavy side. So I'm going to thin out using my milk powder. So if you don't have the milk powder, you can substitute with fresh milk. That is, add in around a cup of milk, or you can add to your own preference. If you love your uji thick just like this, just add in around a 1/4 cup of milk. If you love yours a little runny, you can add in around a cup. So I'm going to transfer my milk powder, and this is 30 grams of milk powder, and add in 1/2 cup of water. Stir my milk powder until it's fully combined. Then I'm going to transfer to my pot. And the milk powder is going to add in so much creaminess to the uji. As you can see, it's looking so lovely. It's perfect. Add in 1/2 cup of sugar, which is quite optional. You can still enjoy the uji with no sugar. So you're going to reduce the flames to medium low and slowly simmer your uji or porridge for around 5 minutes. If you notice that the uji is thickening up, just add in a splash of more milk. It's been 5 minutes and my porridge has been slowly cooking. So I'm going to stir one last time. And it's ready. It's just perfect, just the way I like it. So I'm going to put out the flames and serve into my bowl. Just look at that consistency. I absolutely love, because as the porridge is cooling, it's going to thicken up. Place aside. Pick my next bowl. I'm going to be serving with some bread. Perfect. If you would ask me on a scale of 1 to 10 how delicious this porridge is, I would tell you it's 10 over 10 because the porridge just turns out creamy, delicious, a little bit sweet, just perfect. I've topped up with some bread. You can also top up with some roasted nuts, and each sip is going to be delicious. All you have to do is wait for the porridge to cool a little bit. Catch you on my next episode.